Hi guys, it's Michael here. So this is my helicopter thing I want to show you guys. So I'm sorry I messed up because I only didn't delete the part with the helicopter stuff. So this is my blades and stuff right here. So it was going to show you guys right here. This is the charging thing we have to show you. And you have to flip the switch on before you fly it. So here's my box you have to show you. So this is my box. It's Air Victor box. And you have 20H mini infrared remote control helicopter. It's lights, re-see, lights use, and recharge. So it flies up to 36 to 32 feet. So here's the kind you guys can get. There's a purple, gray one, blue one, green one, or purple one I have right here. So, alright. You have to turn it on right here. And you have to switch it on. So, I'm sorry guys because I only messed up. So, we have to be careful with this, okay? Maybe it's scraped, or it's already scraped a few times. So you guys have to be careful. So you have to turn this on. This helicopter is so nice. Just a little bit. Oh, I see it. Yup, I see it. And you see, look, it's spinning, so it's spinning, so you can switch this on, and look, it's switching my room. Good job, helicopter. So you have to pick it back up and you need to turn it off. And you have to turn this off. Thanks for watching, guys. Helicopter describe. Thanks for watching. Bye.